Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is AeroVironment wins $500 million U.S. Army Task Force contract to support domestic shield counter-drone defenses. Joint Interagency Task Force for 01 has awarded an indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity contract with a $500 million ceiling to expand counter-unmanned aircraft systems capabilities for warfighters and security personnel. The capabilities directly support domestic shield, a JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force for 01-led program focused on improving counter-drone defense in the homeland. JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force for 01 is continuously working to bolster the service's abilities to protect warfighters and individual installations, said Colonel Jason Eidelman, Chief for Multi-Domain Operations Division at JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force for 01. This investment provides operators with the tools to detect, track, and defend against illicit drones. Providing top-tier technology to our warfighters enables them to effectively respond to these rapidly evolving threats. AeroVironment, which received the contract, will provide a range of scalable counter-unmanned aircraft systems capabilities. The Army said a key element of the systems is full interoperability, which is an important part of a strong, layered drone defense. The capabilities can be configured for fixed-site or mobile employment, allowing them to support different operational needs. The first task order invests in AeroVironment's Titan solution, which provides counter-unmanned aircraft systems detection and defeat options for complex operational environments. JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force 401's single measure of effectiveness is to rapidly deliver counter-drone capabilities to our warfighters at home and abroad, said Brigadier General Matt Ross, Director of JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force for 01. By investing in the latest technology, we are adding another tool in a layered defense so we can respond swiftly and effectively to any illicit drone threats. The investment is intended to support operators facing rapidly evolving drone threats. It also reflects JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force 401's effort to deliver counter-drone capabilities quickly to warfighters across the joint force. The Army said the contract demonstrates JIATF Joint Interagency Task Force 401's ability to move rapidly through the acquisition process and deliver counter-drone capabilities at an accelerated pace. The effort is aimed at ensuring warfighters across the joint force remain lethal on today's modern battlefield. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.